Good morning, everybody. Good morning, everybody. Strength and Maloba again here. Now, it's a beautiful day today. It's a beautiful Monday, and we are looking forward to having a blessed day, a profitable day. But I see that the market is acting quite quiet this morning. But I believe that after, just before the New York session, it will act accordingly. It will start giving out opportunities so that we can get into the market. Now, we are in a position of capitalizing based on high movement. So yeah, the robot will be spotting those kind of opportunities, and then it will be taking very, very good entries. Then we capitalize on those entries. Remember, when the robot opens one trade, you are able to add multiple trades just after the robot has opened its own trades. Now, this said, you gotta be very, very wise, because you are in control of how many trades you want to add. Now, you look at your account, you look at the number of trades you want to add. Now you compare your account with the trades that you want to add. Let's say you want to add extra 4. Now you must see that, okay, you must be able to see that your account can handle 4 trades on the other hand. So if that is possible, then you add your trades after the robot, and then in that case you are in a win-win situation. This is where now a person gets to manage their own account, because the robot will take the trades for you. It will take the trades for you automatically, then you add your own trades. But then the psychology part, where now you add your own trades just to capitalize and make more money, that is where you are you are in control. You are in control. So yeah, that being said, remember guys, if you want to get hold of this robot, you gotta click on the link below, which is our website, www.forexchampions.co.za. The link is down below. If you want to communicate with us any other way, you can use our Instagram handle that you can see here, our Instagram handle, and also our WhatsApp number. Yeah, so you can communicate with us via any of those 2 options. But other than that, if you know what you want, your questions are all answered, you can just go straight into our website. It's down in the description. So yeah, guys, I hope that you are in a position to take the right decisions to change your life for the better, because that's what we want. We want you to change your life for the better, because time to waste is no more. Time to waste is no more. We are about to finish off the year 2021. There's been a tough year for a lot of us, a lot of you guys out there, but time is still there. You still have at least 2 months. Today is the 1st. You still have 2 months, November and December, to gather up as much information and as much money as you need to before the end ends, because 2022 is not gonna be easy as well, but we'll go through it easily, swiftly, without any interruption, without any problems, without any predicaments. We'll make it through. We'll make it through. Other than that, guys, keep well. Peace. Love you. Cheers.